Morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. Special. I am Christian Mark M. Barrios, 19 years old from Proctris, Ebro, San Francisco, Quezon del Sur. My brief of story of my name. Why Christian is my name? Because same of Cristianos, and my favorite color is color black and white. White is my sport is basketball, and my hobbies is playing ML or sleep, matulog. Like your name? Yes, I like my name because it sounds is nice. It sound is nice. How do you like your sport and or hobbies? My favorite sport is playing basketball because we can exercise my body. Do you think about girls? I think girls are pretty and kind. And what do you think about that boys? I think boys are handsome and kind and caring. Do you think that girls should do? I think the girls are cleaning their house and makeup is life. What do you think about boys? Should I what do you think about should do boys? I think should boys are cleaning their house and after playing ML or exercise their body. How society thinks that girl should do. Society thinks that should girl do is first to graduate and find find work. Next find work. How society thinks that boy should do. Society society that society thinks that boys should is first graduate and find work.